After a breast implant exchange with a lollipop or circumvertical lift, you can shower after 48 hours. You can exercise without using your upper body muscles after 1 week as long as you're wearing a bra. You can go swimming, take baths, go underwater after 3 weeks. But I want you to wear a supportive bra for 2 months after surgery. We want to support your tissues as they heal around the weight of the implant. That is, we don't want the weight of the implant stretching things out and stressing all those incisions right away. We want to let your body heal up, and we want all those scars and incisions to be nice and strong before they are doing all the work to support the weight of the implant. So use the bra initially for those first 2 months to help support the weight of the implant while your tissues heal around it. I'm going to have you tape your incisions. So once the steri strips after the surgery fall off, I want you to put paper tape on the incisions, and we will give you the paper tape and show you how to do this. And I want you to put paper tape on your incisions around your areola and down the meridian of the breast. And what that will do is it'll help improve the final appearance of your scars. So the paper tape goes on. As soon as it gets loose or peels away, you put on more paper tape. And finally, at 6 weeks after surgery, I will do a laser treatment to help further fade and improve the appearance of the scar. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page, and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.